Everyone thought I was insane. They weren't wrong. I'd been obsessed with this clipping for 12 years. Three tons of Cold War steel. It didn't want to let me. 65 feet down, no cell service. 50 feet wide, 65 feet deep, and it was all mine. $15,000 gallons of Cold War soup. Gone. Every wall told a story. Not all of them were good. $7,850 square feet, 1 inch at a time. I just left camp! No more ladder. Now I've had a real way home. My heart stopped. Water was coming up through the floor. I was at the break. Cultivation prism, 6 figures minimum.
What's your labor option?
Isaka well, take the loss. I sat in that rain for 2 hours. Made 47 phone calls.
Table! Idiot!
The same engineer came back. He had to see it for himself. Every nail echoed. This space was finally becoming home. "65 feet of spiral. When it clicked, I couldn't speak. Industrial kitchen, bunker vibes, exactly what I dreamed. "203 days, 65 feet underground, and finally, silence. I couldn't breathe. I built this 65 feet underground. First coffee, 65 feet down, best coffee of my life. These hands sealed every crack. Now they rest. I wake up underground, but I still see the sky. My friends couldn't speak. For 10 minutes, just nothing. Every switch, every pore, every preserved piece of history. This is home, 65 feet down, total peace. $50,000 became $750,000, but that's not why.